there the blueprint for what I think is the greatest rock drumming out there. Everything is swinging so f***ing hard. The Legends of 70s, I like that. That's got a nice ring to it. The course focuses on 4 drummers. John Bonham, arguably the greatest rock drummer of all time. This way that he played, he had the funk element, the Motown element. Ian Paice, I really feel that he's one of the best listeners, and the most important thing for a musician is to be a great listener. And then, of course, there's Bill Ward. He's basically a jazz drummer playing in like one of the heaviest bands ever. You know these songs so well. They're so iconic.
That's so f***ing fun to play that shit. Who? Keith Moon?
He's doing crashes in the middle of fills. Like, who did that? When I saw that, I was like, oh my God, what? You could do that? This course is really like close to my heart because this is me going back to the drumming and the music that I grew up on. It takes me back to like literally being in my basement in Detroit, putting headphones on and playing along. I think all musicians, no matter what level that you're at, you hit kind of plateaus. If you're stuck, it might help you get unstuck. And you figure out like, oh, this guy does a triplet like this, and then that's like a key that opens the lock, and all of a sudden, oh, I can apply that to this. I am so excited to share all this drumming from my heroes with you guys. We're gonna do a big launch and then we're gonna do a live thing and I'm gonna be there. And also, a percentage of this is gonna go to my foundation, which is Drumeo. People have been so awesome to partner with us. So I'm very grateful for that. Yeah, we'll all like do this together. It's gonna be cool. Check out the Legends of the 70s with me. And it's on the Musora